Yang Pak.
Siang Ibu.
Aku mulai ya, Sar.
Yes, terserah mau pakai Inggris, Indonesia, pokoknya presentasi kayak kamu biasa di sekolah.
Okay. Hello, friends. Today I will presentate my results of my programming. From here, you can see that import arcade is used to import your Python interpreter. And then these are for the opening title, the main menu, basically, before you go into the game. This is for the game itself, the width and the height of it. This is for the gravity and movement speed and the scaling of the tiles and the sprites that you use for the tile. The boundary for the movement of an enemy in the tile that you can set an enemy is for the top is 400 and the bottom is 50. This is for the start screen. Basically the main menu. I set the background color to black, and then this is and these are the texts that I use. The platformer game, press space to continue, and the platformer game by Ryan. These are the font sizes and the widths and the heights, and this is the colors. And then on this is for if you press space, you can go into the game. Now this one is for the game screen. So when you go into the game, none of these are used, and these are your scores and lives. And the score is 0 because as you pick up more stuff, you can get more score. And the key is also 0, and you have 5 lives. And then this is to set up all of the things for the design that you made. So you can put them over here from your sprite list that you have tiled, and then you can draw them right here. And then this is the spawn position for where your player starts, and this is for the gravity. So you can jump and you can move. And this is the gravity for the ladder. And this is to update the player and the physics engine. And then this is the player movement. So if they go left, they won't go right. And if they go right, they won't go left. And this is to create a scrolling screen. Because as the player goes, the screen also goes with them. And this is for collecting an item. If you hit an item, you can get it. This is for collecting the key that you need to open the safe at the finish line. This is if you hit an enemy, you lose a life and you go back to your spawn position. And the same thing happens when you hit an obstacle. This is for the game over screen. It shows that you lose, and this is for the win screen. And then this is to control the left and the right of the player and the jump. So you use space and you use A and D to go left and right. And then this is if you release it, your player will stop. So it's true if you move, and it's false if you stop. And this is the main that you use to start everything up and run everything. And yeah, that's all for my presentation. Thank you.
Okay, I want you to show us your design.
Okay. This is my design.
Yeah. Oke.
So you start over here and then you jump, and the diamonds are the things that you collect. The ones with the red eyes and spikes are the enemies. The spikes and the lava down there is an obstacle. Yeah. And then you jump, you go on the ladder, you go over here, and you do jumping again. And then this is the key that you need to get in the middle. And then these are the enemies that I filled with animation, so they move. Well, they change, not move. And then more gems. And this is the flag and the safe you open with the key at the end.